Today, I am applying a hinged elbow brace. This type of brace would be suitable for trauma and orthopedic conditions in and around the elbow. The products required are 2 rolls Benecast Advanced Casting Material 7.5 cm, 1 roll Benecast Advanced Casting Material 5 cm, 1 roll Benecast Synthetic Undercast Padding 7.5 cm, 2 pieces Benecast Cotton Stockinette 7.5 cm and 2 pieces of 5 cm, 2 pieces of adhesive felt or fleecy web, 4 pieces of adhesive hook, and 4 pieces non-adhesive loop with a hinge suitable for the indication. I will start by applying 1 layer of 7.5 cm stockinette to the upper arm, extending from the axilla to the elbow. Now, using Benecast Undercast Padding, apply a double layer positioned longitudinally on the medial aspect of the limb. Now apply a second layer of stockinette as with the first. Ensure both the stockinette and padding is wrinkle-free. Apply a third layer of stockinette to the forearm, extending from the elbow to the wrist, with a double layer of undercast padding positioned longitudinally on the lateral aspect of the limb. Apply a fourth layer of stockinette. As with the third, ensure this is smooth and wrinkle-free. For additional protection, apply adhesive felt padding to all bony prominences, paying particular attention to the ulnar styloid and the epicondyles of the humerus. The material I am using today is Benecast Advanced, which is a premium casting material with a unique 4-way stretch, so therefore ideal for this technique. Now apply examination gloves, because when using synthetic casting material, it is important to protect yourself from the polyurethane resin. Using the Benecast Advanced 7.5 cm, make a 2-layer slab extending from the neck of the humerus to the elbow. Wet the slab and the remainder of the roll. Position the slab longitudinally on the lateral aspect of the upper arm. Secure this by wrapping the bandage covering 50% of the previous turn, ensuring the overlap is accurate. And it sits as high into the axilla as possible. Now cut off the remaining bandage. Mould the cast briefly. Using the second roll of Benecast Advanced 7.5 cm, make a 2-layer slab extending from the elbow to the wrist. Wet the slab and position longitudinally on the posterior aspect of the forearm. Using the remainder of the roll, secure the slab by bandaging covering 50% of the previous turn. Cut off the bandage and discard. And again, mould the cast briefly. Measure the hinge to the limb. The centre of the hinge should be aligned to the lateral epicondyle of the humerus, whilst the head plates should fit flush to the arm. Then mark the cast around the head plate using a pencil. Now place 2 pieces of adhesive felt padding to fit directly under the head plate. This will protect the limb from the spikes on the head plate. Then reposition the hinge. This will need holding in place by a second person. Now using 5 cm Benecast Advanced, Make a 2-layer slab. This should cover the head plate of the proximal aspect of the hinge. Dip both the slab and the roll into the water. Position the slab directly over the head plate and bandage covering 50% of the previous turn, ensuring the whole of the head plate is covered. Cut the bandage off. Continue using the same bandage and replicate the same process as before. Make a 2-layer slab, secure the hinge ensuring the head plate is covered, and cut off the remaining material. Now mould the cast well, paying particular attention to the hinges. If applying hook and loop, it can be applied now, as it will bond well to the polyurethane resin. Secure it with the Benicare cotton crepe bandage. Using a pencil, mark the cast. Now remove the cast by cutting both components of the brace. Ensure the scissors are positioned parallel to the patient's limb and on top of the padding. Trim all edges from each component of the brace. Now edge the cast by applying either fleecy web or elasticated edging tape. Today I am using elasticated edging tape. If you have not applied the hook and loop earlier, then apply it when the cast is completely dry. Apply 2 pieces of adhesive hook to both components of the brace. Reapply the brace to the patient and secure to the limb using non-adhesive loop. Ensure the hinges can move freely. The Benisling can be used to support the limb with this application. The stretch-resistant foam keeps the arm well supported, and the Y-tab fasteners allow positioning and easy adjustments of the arm.
Sign up to the Benicare Academy to download a PDF step-by-step application guideline of this tutorial and be the first to watch when we launch new videos. benicaremedical.com/academy. Connect with us on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube to see all our latest products, videos and competitions. If you require more information on our products and training, please visit our website benicaremedical.com.